Well, hi, I'm Chris, and welcome to another edition of the Old Geezer's Diary. Today is Tuesday, and I'm doing something different for lunch, and I thought I might as well share that with you as well, because it's all good fun, isn't it? Today, I'm cooking this, which is a pork shoulder steak. It's quite a nice chunk of meat, and I have to tell you, done in the slow cooker, it's beautiful. I've got it on high. Come off, you beast. There we go. I've got it on high at the moment with just some Bisto gravy to provide the liquid. And you can see, I think there's plenty of fat coming off it just in the sort of, I guess, the first hour. It's going to cook for about 3 or 4 hours, and I'm going to turn it down to low now. I've had it on high to get everything up to temperature. But I'll turn it to low, and it'll be on low for probably until about 1 o'clock or 1:30. And at that point, I shall eat it. But what I'll do with the gravy is make it a bit thicker using some Bisto, which is my usual procedure. But the Oxo gravy and the meat juices will give it a somewhat different and much nicer flavour. Okay, let's see what happens next.
So I've just got home from shopping, and I'll put the spuds on and the veg. I'm having a boiled onion, which I just quarter down and spill some gravy over it, and it's lovely. And some broccoli and some new spuds, baby spuds. I thought about getting Jersey Royals, but I thought, well, if you slap me gravy on them, you lose the Jersey Royal taste anyway. It just needs to go with butter. I'll get some later this week. And there you have it. And just looking down, it's looking pretty good. What I'm going to do is get it out. I'm not going to shade all of this because it's a bit difficult to do. But there's my there's one with holes in it, and get that out of there. Wow, nice bit of slow cooker pork. I'm looking forward to eating it. I'll put some broccoli and a chopped up onion, quartered onion, into the steamer, and my baby spuds are in there, and we'll see how we go. Okay, shan't be long before I'm ready to eat. Now, just in line with what I think I was saying yesterday about my kitchen habits, I do think that washing up every day is kind of a bit of a waste of time. There's some washing up from yesterday, and I'll have some washing up from today. Reuse some of the same utensils that I used yesterday, but just giving them a quick rinse, because that's what I do. And I'll show you what I've got to wash up. There we go, that's all I've got. I've got a few plates, a couple of mugs, and a small saucepan, and that's all I've got to do. So I'll have today's washing up to go on top of that, which will be the slow cooker pot, which I really tend to leave to soak with soapy water for a while, and my plate and my potato and my vegetable cooking utensils. So that's not going to be too bad, is it, really? And it's one wash up that you do, and it's out of the way, leave it to dry, and it's dry in a couple of hours. Simple stuff. Someone said to me, do you actually hate washing up? And I said, no, I don't really. I don't mind doing it, but I just don't see the point when you're not doing enough to fill up the drying rack. There you go, really. There, who knows? But if you want your washing up done, don't come knocking on my door. So, first things first, some spuds. I like spuds. Ooh, looks a bit nasty, doesn't it? And am I going to leave some for breakfast? I'll see. I'll put those on. Maybe I'll put that on as well. And left myself a few. Yeah. And 2 light boiled onions. And some gravy on. And a bit of broccoli. I used to have an auntie and uncle who lived in Broccoli Crescent. There you go. I wonder who remembers Auntie Nancy and Uncle Ray. And here we go. Are you ready for this? Cool. I'm actually drooling, mate. There we go. Look at that. Oh goodness. Doesn't that look nice? I think that looks lovely. And the gravy is thick enough to almost call sauce, really. But I'll keep calling it gravy. There we go. And I'll get a nice big spoon now. A serving spoon. And that can go all over the place. Look at that. It's got really, that gravy has got what you would call body to it, hasn't it, really? Now, while you can't see me, I'll just lick the spoon. So what do you make of that? I think that looks fan-bloody-tastic. I've probably got a better light on it than you have, but I think that looks excellent, and it's going to look even better in front of me. Right, I'm going to eat my lunch. I hope you like it. Pork shoulder steak, baby potatoes, broccoli and onion core. Good enough for a king. Charlie, where are you? I tell you, this is just beautiful. You can cut it with a fork. And it really falls apart. Beautiful. I'm going to eat it and I'm not going to pay any more attention to you, but I think you've seen what I mean. This meat, pork shoulder steak from Lidl, cheap enough. I've got 4 bits, so I've had 4 meals, 4 steaks. I've had 4 meals, and each one has been absolutely beautiful. They're not big when they're cooked, but they're seriously nice. And there you go. That plate is as clean as you can get without me actually licking it. 1 bit of slightly manky potato that I didn't eat. But having said that, there you go. It was absolutely beautiful. The meat was really beautiful as well. And the gravy was more like sauce than anything, but that was delicious. So I'm going to put this up as an offering to some people I care about and say, would you like to come round for a meal? There you go. And no doubt they'll be delighted. Okay, there you go. I'm Chris, this is the Old Geezer's Diary, and I'll see you soon.